Hello guys, review smartphone Infinix Note 12 2023 year edition. Okay, open box and look completation. In completation we have protected back cover, key for SIM slot, documentary, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic in the dark blue color. On this side power key and warm keys, warm buttons and power buttons. Upside without controls. Back side we have triple camera, 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels. On the front side 6.7 inch, this full HD plus IPS display. Downside speaker, headphones jack, Type-C port and microphone. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, we have Android 12, version XOS by Infinix, version 10.6.0, Helio G99 is this CPU, 8GB RAM memory and 128GB ROM memory. Look onto the benchmark score. We have good score. Close this and run GTA San Andreas. Demanded game works perfect on this device. Result like delicious, very good gameplay. Close. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.